My name is Nico and I work in a couple of different departments, mostly capital markets and minerals acquisitions. My role at Phoenix is as an executive assistant to Sean Goodnight. Sean Goodnight is the Chief Acquisitions Officer. He supports the both capital markets and the minerals acquisitions team, and I support him in that. 2 months into my position here, I was diagnosed with stage 4B ovarian cancer. And I immediately was concerned about whether or not I'd be able to keep my job and continue working here. I went to Sean and he not only supported me, but the entire office, strike that, the entire company supported me. When I was told I was cancer-free, the whole entire office threw a huge party, cupcakes and balloons and the whole shebang, and I've never felt more loved and safe and rewarded in a company in my entire life. We are a family, and I realized that after I first started working here. The Phoenix family by far is the biggest draw and what makes me happy coming into work every single day. They're not just my friends here at work. There's friendships that we've made well outside of the office. By far, it's the family. Absolutely the family.